Hello, if you came to this video, you wanted to see wanted to see this move. Hold on. It's a bit buggy. It's like subject to change anyway, so like, let's get to it. Okay, so what you want to do is make a scale and then alright, so the stun, the time should be 3.4. The dismantle should be 1.4. Yeah, pause if you wanna get it like all the way. It's subject to change, so I might make a V2. Okay, so here's the volume. And you could keep that one, or you could just copy and paste or whatever. You could do what you want to do. Okay, so time should be 0.5. Okay, in the same exact thing, but 2 points start should be 2.7, and the end should be 2.88. A bit of weight. Dismantle, it could be either black or red. I prefer black. I'm not racist. Alright, so the position, size, time. You can either do like the humanoid viewport or the torso. Pluckable, that's optional. Damage. Oh, whoops. So the position should be whatever you want. Size can be whatever you want as well. Stun should be 2. Stun animation, that's optional. Damage 10, or whatever you want. Debris should be at least 1. And attack type should be bullet or melee. Blinkable, that's optional. Can kill, yes. Single target, that's optional. Bit of weight. You can just basically just copy this. A bit of weight. Okay, so here's the sound ID. Okay, here's the start, here's the end. Position should be also, it can be whatever you want. Size can be whatever you want as well. Stun also 2. Stun animation optional. Damage, whoops, holy voice crack. Damage should be 5. Amount 1. Or whatever you want. Actually, change that to left well. And to change it, no, that's too short. Change it to, yeah, there. Yeah, there, yeah. Okay. Alright, so here's the whoops. so here's the cleave. Hold on. Alright, and here's the loop. Oh wait, hold on. Alright, here's the cleave. Position 20 or whatever. Size and time. And yeah, that's basically what it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials or more videos. And yeah, see you later.